Guys, another day showing you behind the scenes of Take It Away music video. Let me tell you, creation has never been cheap. Expression, it costs, man. It costs time, energy, even physiotherapy. Gubuza Cyrus.
A few moments later.
Every frame, every sound, every sacrifice, it's a love letter to God written in the language of men. And when things don't go according to plan, when the plan is not planning, we are reminded that creation mirrors the creator. It can be messy, unpredictable, but it always works out for good and births beauty.
The situation.
So to every creator out there, don't coil from your calling. Your art, it's an altar. Let your expression be an offering. Let your expression be an offering because you are a creator, and to be a creator means to yield yourself a living sacrifice. Katika tudia kumgadi.